And I think we have lots of things that need to be done today and had to be done yesterday, which we need to accomplish, because this will give us scale, this will give us the low-cost structure, this will ensure that we have the resilience to both sensitize the regulatory environment and ensure that we can go deep down enough. You know, the last mile approach, and I want to divide this debate into three dimensions of the debate. So one is from the demand side, people who are going to consume the services. From the supply side, who are from the service providers. And then there are a host of enablers who are coming in between, including the regulatory paradigm. And each of these three entities have a role to play, but I think their efforts get stymied because of the environment in which they are operating, and I think it's important to address that environment. Assuming I'm excluding the excluded caste and I'm talking of the economically included category, the demand exists, the supply exists because the service providers are there, but we are not being able to scale. So do we need to ensure that either the service providers were many or people who were distributing the products were many? And I think multiplication of service providers may not happen as fast, but the distributors' application could happen much faster. And look at the system, why is it not making that impact? We've created silos of regulatory environment. And there's nothing good and bad about it, that's the way we've evolved. In these silos, each silo